Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to create unique QR code. It's absolutely free and it's very simple tips and tricks, and you can create your QR code even Instagram, Facebook or YouTube and share anyone, so someone are very easily scan and subscribe, scan and follow you. So what is the process? Let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab, enter the Google, simply put it here QR code dash tiger, enter. The first link is display here. Look at this QR code generation free custom QR code maker. So just simply click here. After clicking, framework are display here. Look at this URL, B code, file, social media, menu. So many features are available here. You need to just put it your URL here. So look at this. I just copy my Research Rocks channel link and put it here and then generate the QR code. So my QR code is this one. So you can choose your data parameters like here. So you can put it some other scroll also. You can add logo in this QR code. Some basic informations are available. As a free point of view, you need to just print your screen. Now I am doing the print screen here of mine. I just simply crop this QR code like this and ready. My QR code is ready like this. After someone are scanning this QR code, so automatically my YouTube channel is open. So I just simply open my mobile phone and we can see here. So look at this, my YouTube channel is open here. It's very simple process to generate QR code and access wherever you want.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.